Okay, so we're on the last problem, so problem number 8. That problem is a dependent and compound event. So compound event just means that there is more than one event going on. It's dependent, and we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. The situation is that you just went trick-or-treating. As we were going trick-or-treating, you got 8 Snickers, 4 Twix, and 5 Reese's, right? So if I add all those up, then that means I had a total of 17 candies, all right? So the probability that I want you to find is the probability that you get a Snickers first, eat that, a Reese's, eat that, and then another Snickers. So because I'm eating every time, the total number of candies is going to decrease. So my first probability is the probability of eating a Snickers. So if I know that there's 8 Snickers total, so I'm going to go 8 over however many candies I had, which is going to be 17. Alright, so because I ate a Snicker, this number changes to 7. Because I subtracted 1 there, I'm also going to subtract 1 down here, and I have a total now of 16 candies. So I know when I go to find the probability of the next event, which is the probability of eating a Reese's, it's not out of the 17 as it was before. Now it's out of the 16. Alright. Out of those 16 candies, 5 of them are going to be Reese's. But I ate one of these Reese's, so this number becomes a 4. Because I ate another one, I now have a total of 15 candies. So when I go to find that last probability, the probability of eating a Snickers, it's going to be out of 15. And then now the total number of Snickers that I have is just 7. So I multiply all of those together. Whatever you get when you multiply them, that's going to be your final answer. So 8 times 5 times 7. I'm pretty sure it's... let me just not mess up. How about that? 8 times 5 times 7. Yeah, 280. So it's 280. And then I'm multiplying these 3 numbers together, which I can't tell you what it is. 17 times 16 times 15. A big old 4080. Alright. You can go ahead and reduce that, but that's going to kind of be the end there. The biggest thing for you guys to remember is that this should have decreased by 1 every time because you're eating a candy, so the total number of candies you have is going to decrease. And then do not forget that you need to multiply these numbers. Multiply the ones on top, multiply the ones on bottom, and then you're solid. So we'll accept this answer, but you can also reduce.